everyone, today we're going to learn 4 important prepositions of movement. To, into, onto, and out of. These small words are used when something or someone moves from one place to another, and using them correctly will make your English sound natural and fluent. We'll go through explanations, examples, and a fun story to help you remember. Let's get started. First of all, let me explain each one by one with examples. Here we go. How to use to. We use to show movement toward a destination. Example 1. I'm going to the supermarket. Example 2. She travelled to London last year. Example 3. We need to send this package to our office. Think to equals towards something, to the destination. How to use into. We use into when someone or something enters a space or place. 3 examples. Example 1. She walked into the room. Example 2. He jumped into the pool. Example 3. The cat ran into the house. Think into equals entering an enclosed space. Into. How to use onto. We use onto when someone or something moves to the surface or something. Example, there are 3. The cat jumped onto the table. Example 2. He climbed onto the roof to fix the light. Example 3. Place the vase carefully on the shelf. Think onto equals movement onto a surface. Next, how to use out of. We use out of to show leaving or moving from inside a place to outside. We have 3 examples. She ran out of the classroom. Example 2. He took the book out of his bag. Example 3. The dog jumped out of the car. Think out of equals leaving an enclosed space. Now I'm going to tell you a story with all the examples using each one of these prepositions. You practice and see if you can find them and understand the meaning. Yesterday, I had a busy morning. I left my house and walked to the bus stop. When the bus arrived, I got into a bus and found a seat. The bus stopped near a park, so I got out of the bus and walked towards a bench. My dog, Max, was waiting for me. He jumped happily onto the bench to sit next to me. While sitting there, a bird flew onto the railing above us, singing loudly. Later, Max ran into the small pond, splashing water everywhere. People walked out of the cafe nearby, laughed at our little adventure. By the end of the morning, I had used to, into, onto, and out of naturally in real life, showing how these prepositions describe movement clearly and vividly. So I hope that was a bit of fun, and I hope you could see that. And like I said, I explain at the end of how we used it. It's good that you can use these in a story so you can understand them in a more vivid way. Quick comparison and recap. To equals movement towards a destination. I'm going to the park. Into, entering an enclosed space. She walked into the room. Onto, movement onto a surface. The cat jumped onto the table. Out of, leaving an enclosed space. He ran out of the classroom. Okay guys, now it's your turn. Try making your own mini story using to, into, onto, and out of, and leave it in the comments below so I can check it out and we can also have a conversation. Practicing like this helps you use movement prepositions naturally in everyday situations. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more English lessons that help you sound fluent and confident. My name has been Scott, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.